The battle of the century. Or century, wala ka daw si Toby.
Let's go.
Nakamot sa finals.
Finals?
Prepare your deck.
No.
Oh my
Oh my God!
God!
Wait, pero remember, nanalo si Mr. Toby kanina sa right side. Wait.
Bay, anak yan daw siya. Dali daw.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
First place, Joey. Pakita yung goals.
Gawas ang gun.
This is Perseus versus Goon, I think.
Ladies ready. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good guns. Uy! Politik ng versus na. Pero nag-stay strong ang Cobalt Dragoon. Uy, parang mag-spin still ba? Uy, parang nalipong na ang versus Dark.
Fight, a good fight first.
Uy. Lumalaban pa rin yung Perseus.
I was trying to fix it.
Oh!
Nag-spin equalize ang Perseus Dar.
Uy!
Oh my God!
Iwan!
Nakulban! Second base, Shobey. And Buster versus Golem Rock.
Sino ang matibay?
Ladies ready. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Oh my God!
Iskot ang Dragon ng first finish.
2 to 1.
Oy, mataas pa score! Mataas pa! Bawi! Okay. Ladies ready. In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh my God!
Falling.
Ay!
What the hell?
Over finish!
3-2.
Trito! Apple Bay, Bladers!
My God.
Jobey! Uy, versus Dark versus Grandmaster!
Counter versus attack.
Ladies ready! In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good lunch! Oh my God! Dito, Kinsong, pinakataas ang stamina! Mag-tie score ba? Okay, tie, 2-3.
3-3.
Kinakabahan na si Toby! Relax lang, Toby, relax lang.
Ini kan ni bay, Wizard bay versus Gun.
Okay, Wizard versus Goon. And players ready. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Lunch!
What did the burst oh? Hala!
Hala! Hala, match point!
Patay. 3-6.
Match point!
Before 5, aso yung zero part yung mga 5 below.
Third base, Shobi.
Mga SSS, I often got it there.
Shobi.
Wait lang.
Okay, players ready. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Over finish.
Catching up.
Kinakabahan si Jason! Nakalbahan si Jason! Shuffle pay! Okay, Shobi!
Uy!
Last Spirit Bay! Grand Sword versus
Labas ko
Mr.
na
Grand. And Bladers ready! And 3, 2, 1, go shoot!